Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts. In part 2 of our series on engine compression testing, we're taking the knowledge a step further. Now that you've learned the basics from part 1, it's time to decipher the results and understand the implications for your engine's performance. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or simply performing routine maintenance, this information is invaluable. Let's unravel the mysteries of engine compression testing together. Ensures optimal engine performance. By conducting regular compression testing, you can quickly identify any issues with the engine's internal components. This proactive approach allows you to address any potential problems before they escalate, ensuring that your engine continues to deliver optimal performance. Prevents costly repairs. Regular compression testing helps in early detection of potential problems, which can save you from expensive repairs down the line. By identifying issues such as worn piston rings or faulty valves early on, you can address them promptly, preventing further damage and the need for costly overhauls. Extends engine longevity. Maintaining consistent compression levels is crucial for the overall health and longevity of your engine. Regular testing allows you to monitor the condition of vital components and take preventive measures to ensure the longevity of your engine. This ultimately saves you money and keeps your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Improves fuel efficiency. A well-maintained engine with optimal compression levels operates more efficiently, leading to improved fuel economy. By conducting regular compression tests, you can ensure that your engine is performing at its best, ultimately saving on fuel costs and reducing emissions. Peace of mind. Regular compression testing provides peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle's engine is in good working condition. It allows you to stay ahead of potential problems, giving you confidence in your vehicle's reliability and safety on the road. In conclusion, performing regular compression testing is a proactive approach that offers numerous benefits, including optimal performance, cost savings, longevity, improved fuel efficiency, and peace of mind. It's a small investment that can lead to significant savings and a smoothly running vehicle in the long run. How to interpret compression test results. Engine compression testing provides vital insights into the overall health and performance of an engine. Understanding the results is crucial in diagnosing potential issues and ensuring the engine's optimal function. Below, we'll delve into how to interpret compression test results, including normal values, low compression, and uneven compression. Normal compression values. In a healthy engine, the compression values typically range between 125 and 160 pounds per square inch, psi per cylinder, with minimal deviation between cylinders. Deviations from these values can indicate underlying problems. For instance, significantly lower readings may suggest worn piston rings or cylinder walls, while higher readings could signal carbon buildup or excessive carbon deposits on the piston crown or cylinder head. Interpreting low compression. Low compression readings can stem from various factors such as worn piston rings, cylinder scoring, valve leaks, or a blown head gasket. These issues may lead to decreased engine power, reduced fuel efficiency, and, if left unaddressed, potential long-term damage. Therefore, it's crucial to promptly address low compression readings to prevent further complications and maintain the engine's longevity. Interpreting uneven compression. Uneven compression readings across different cylinders can signify several issues, including valve leaks, cracked cylinder heads, or inconsistent piston rings. Addressing these issues promptly is vital to maintain the engine's balanced performance. If left unattended, uneven compression can result in rough idling, reduced power, and potential long-term damage to the engine's components. By understanding the implications of compression test results, automotive professionals and enthusiasts can proactively address potential issues, ensuring the engine's optimal performance and longevity. Maintaining engine compression. When it comes to maintaining engine compression, there are several key practices to keep in mind to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle's engine. By incorporating regular maintenance routines, using quality fuel and lubricants, and promptly addressing any issues, you can effectively preserve and safeguard the compression levels of your engine. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is paramount in upholding engine compression. This includes adhering to the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug replacements. Additionally, scheduling regular oil changes and ensuring the cooling system is operating efficiently is crucial to sustaining proper engine compression over time. Quality fuel and lubricants. Using high-quality fuel and lubricants is essential for maintaining optimal engine compression. Premium-grade fuel and quality engine oils can aid in preventing carbon deposits, which can negatively impact compression levels. Moreover, using fuel system cleaners and additives can help in keeping the engine's internal components clean, promoting smoother operation and preserving compression. Prompt issue resolution. Addressing any issues promptly is vital in maintaining engine compression. Whether it's detecting and resolving misfires, addressing vacuum or exhaust leaks, or diagnosing and rectifying any abnormal engine sounds or vibrations, swift action can prevent potential damage and preserve compression levels. Regularly monitoring the engine for any irregularities and promptly addressing them can significantly contribute to sustaining compression performance. By following these tips and best practices, you can effectively maintain optimal engine compression, ensuring the continued efficient and reliable operation of your vehicle's engine. Schedule regular oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks. Use premium-grade fuel and quality engine oils to prevent carbon deposits. Address any engine issues promptly to prevent potential damage. In conclusion, engine compression testing is a crucial aspect of maintaining the health and performance of your vehicle's engine. By assessing the integrity of the engine's internal components, compression testing provides valuable insights into potential issues such as worn piston rings, valve leaks, or cylinder head problems. Prioritizing regular compression testing can help identify these issues early on, preventing more extensive and costly damage down the road. Ensuring optimal engine compression is essential for maximizing fuel efficiency, power output, and overall driving experience. By staying proactive with compression testing, you can address any underlying issues promptly, keeping your vehicle running smoothly and reliably. Don't overlook the significance of engine compression testing in your vehicle maintenance routine. Make it a priority to schedule regular testing to safeguard the longevity and performance of your engine. Your proactive approach today can save you from significant headaches tomorrow. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to engine compression testing from the basics to interpreting results. Remember, understanding your engine's health is key to keeping your ride in top condition. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy testing and safe driving. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.